We're now ready to talk about specialization and gains from trade, but first let's review the principle of opportunity cost. The opportunity cost of something is what you sacrifice to get it, and that relates directly to this example. So when we go through this and we talk about Fred and Kate in trade, you could generalize this to trade between any two countries. You could generalize it between trade between any two organizations, or just between two individuals. So let's start. So we have we're going to simplify this. Fred and Kate both produce coconuts and fish. Okay. And Fred, in a whole day's work day, he can harvest 2 coconuts or catch 6 fish. In a whole day's work day, Kate could harvest 1 coconut or catch 1 fish. Now, let's look at opportunity cost and see how this relates. If Fred decides to catch or harvest 2 coconuts, then he has to give up 6 fish to do that, because if he harvests 2 coconuts, he gives up the opportunity to catch 6 fish. So for each coconut that Fred harvests, he gives up 3 fish. Okay. Now, when Fred decides to catch fish, he can catch 6 in a day. But if he catches 6 in a day, he has to give up the opportunity to harvest 2 coconuts. When Fred catches a fish, he gives up 1/3 of a coconut. So Fred's opportunity cost of catching a single fish is 1/3 of a coconut. Now, let's move on to Kate. Kate, who, if she decides to harvest a coconut, then when she harvests a coconut, she has to give up the opportunity to catch 1 fish. So her opportunity cost of harvesting 1 coconut is 1 fish. She gives up the opportunity to catch that 1 fish. And her opportunity cost of catching a fish is 1 coconut. So her opportunity cost of catching a fish, she loses the opportunity of harvesting 1 coconut. So that's her opportunity cost. Now take a look. It's kind of interesting. Their opportunity costs are different. Fred's opportunity cost of harvesting coconuts is 3. Kate's opportunity cost of harvesting a coconut is only 1. Fred's opportunity cost of catching a fish is 1/3 of a coconut, and Kate's opportunity cost of catching a fish is only 1 coconut. Now this is going to relate to why these two individuals are going to want to trade. And if you look at the next slide, I think it'll be really interesting to see why these opportunity costs are so important when we look at reasons why individuals trade.